the non-farm payroll numbers coming out today. They're estimating 199,000. So let's evaluate the market right now if we get a better number than expected, if the deviation is hit. I would think 240 and above would definitely give this dollar a boost. But again, we know for sure if we see 270, that's really the magic number. But I think 240, would definitely give this market a continuation of the dollar strengthening against the euro and against the yen. So we quickly look here at the daily chart. You can see pretty much where support is at. Again, if you've got your Fibonacci walls, you can put them up on your daily charts. But I just want to draw them out for guests that obviously don't have access to that. They can just do it on a regular chart. They can come in here and see that this is the area where the market will find some support, and it'll probably hang around. If the numbers come out worse than expected, or better, I'm sorry, better than expected, we see that, like I said, 240 to 270 or higher. For sure, 270, this euro dollar will definitely get down here to this 36.50 area, which is what this line here will represent. I think it's around 36.40 right now, but we'll look at our matrix in a moment, and we'll see a lot of those walls there. But this will be the area that I would think you'll see a good amount of movement to, and potentially there we could and probably should see a bounce. I had a 70 right in here, but I think if the numbers come out worse than expected, we'll go through those numbers. I think there's a lot of covering, a lot of short covering here in around the 36.70 area. But with worse numbers, we should push through it, get down to around 50 to 40, and then potentially we could see the bounce, and that bounce could be back up to the 70 area with numbers coming out better than expected. All right, on the other hand, if the numbers come out worse than expected, if we were to see 130 or below, then the dollar would probably weaken, and I would suspect the euro would try to get itself back up to the 37.70, 80 area up here. And then, like I said, at that time, I couldn't see the euro dollar really trying to get, at least for the day, much higher than that. Your first area of defense, we'll see, will be around the 50, where I would suspect resistance definitely to come in strong, and then if it can get above that, your 70, 80 should be the area where it stalls for the day. Okay, spreads are widening. We still have a minute. You're going to see the spreads already going 3 points, 4 points, and you'll see how they get into 15 plus in just a moment. There we go. They look like they came out bad. Good. What is it? 192.